Robin here. Today we're going to be reacting to this song, whatever this is. Girls Know How to Fight. I don't know. First thing I saw on the internet. Okay. I don't get it. Oh. That's a little weirder than I thought it would be. What the heck? What was that? Did you see that? Something happened. I don't like it. Okay. Okay. Well, I'm guessing you're getting the message from here. I'm not getting a message at all. I don't know if you guys can hear this. Okay. I'm amused. Yep. Okay. I know this isn't really happening, but that's awesome. What the heck? Pretty cool. I don't like this part. Look how they look like they're coming through my hand. Oh, yeah. It showed me again. What the heck? I'm gonna need to look over. Like, my phone should be in the way of this. It's so weird how it's like going through my phone and it's showing my face.
Hello, this is Minecraft Jams. I hope you enjoyed that video. And if you did, go ahead and leave a comment and a like.
I am amused with what I've just seen with my eyeballs. I'm very amused. I'll see y'all next time. Goodbye.